What's up everyone? So in this video I have this computer that I just bought from SAVERS. There you go, $29.99. I usually just go to SAVERS, now and then to see what they got, and if I see a computer or a good deal, I'll buy it. Now this computer does have these specs listed on the back. The reason I bought it though was I was thinking of making like sleeper build on this PC because this case looks pretty nice. It's got the orange accent on the top. It's got this cool thing here at the bottom. You can control your fan speed, I believe that is. Auto, turbo, and cool, so that's pretty cool. So all these ports on top, that's pretty nice. It was $29.99, total was like $32 with tax. So let me go ahead and show you the specs. It's got a paper right on the back, right here. So it's an i7 860, 8 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, DVD drive, Windows 7, keyboard wired, mouse wired. Of course I didn't get any of those, but here's another vent. Let's check the back. I did see that it had some PCI cards. So it had this PCI card here. Don't know what that is yet, but it's got an HDMI and a VGA. And then I saw down here that may have Wi-Fi, a Wi-Fi card. I think that's what that is. Definitely have seen these before. And Wi-Fi cards. I usually don't own Wi-Fi cards. Motherboards come built in already with Wi-Fi, so that's cool. That's the board, standard board, your standard plugs, your power supply. I haven't opened this up yet, so let's go ahead and open it up together. Alright, so I'm removing the screws to remove the side panel. Like I said, I want to build a sleeper PC on this case, or with this case. Just have a nice handle on top. Not a lot of PCs have that. You gotta remove the cover, and there it is. The Lenovo computer from SAVERS. It's got these fan guards here. A lot of dust in there. You see 4 sticks of RAM. So oh, look at that. One of the clips isn't fully engaged on that one. That's funny. But that should be 8 gigs. I believe this is DDR3, DDR2. Hopefully not DDR2. Hopefully DDR3. Yeah. It's a drive here. I don't know why it's upside down, but let's see what kind of drive this is. Oh, okay, look at that. So this is not going to be helpful or useful at all. That just broke off. Okay. The drive, don't know exactly the model, but it doesn't matter because it's broken. This, it is Hitachi. Alright, well, Hitachi, maybe that's what they threw you away, because you're broken. Very, very dirty. Alright, so now for the rest of the PC. Got DVD drive, CPU, i7 860. This card here, don't know what this card is yet. Oh, that's cool. Got this little latch here. You can actually take this out and see what it is. Oh, it's one of those. Okay, let's see if I can take this out without. Okay, cool. For the GPU, we got this crazy old. What is this? Nope, no idea what this is. Maybe an AMD GPU. Maybe it's something else. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'm missing something, but I don't see anything. Don't know what this is. Alright, let's check this card at the bottom. I haven't turned this PC on yet, so I don't even know if it works at all. So for this card, what is this? Atheros? I think it's a Wi-Fi card. Definitely has to be a Wi-Fi card. I wonder if it supports 5G, 5 gigahertz. Mac. Yeah, never heard of that brand, Atheros. If that even is the brand name. Let's check how much RAM there is. Hopefully they upgraded, and let's see if it's DDR2 or DDR3. And this is in fact 2 gigs. Doesn't say if it's DDR2 or DDR3, but this stick does look like DDR3. So 2 gigs each, 2, 4, 6, 8, so 8 gigs total. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these back, and I'm gonna boot this up without a boot drive. I just want to see if it actually powers on, and yeah, I'll power it on. Oh, I just noticed that you can only fit a mATX board in here. Interesting. So only mATX in here. You get 2 hard drive slots here. So 2 drives, power supply on the top. Don't know the wattage on this. DC output 135 watts. Okay. I did want to, like I said, I did want to build a sleeper PC with this case. Yeah, put some like not very powerful, just like mid-range parts. Now that I know that I need an mATX board, I gotta put an mATX board in here. Yeah, I also want to test out the i7 960. Maybe put in a GPU in here and see what kind of games this can handle. Alright, so I plugged it in. I got the HDMI power cord. Let me go ahead and find the power button. It's on the top. Go ahead and push. Okay, looks like we're getting no power. No power whatsoever. It could be that the power supply is dead. Front power connector is on. Or maybe my power switch is off. Alright, let's try this again. So I have this little, extension cord with a little power button on top. It was off. I turned it on now. So let me go ahead and push the power button. Alright. Seems to be turning on. Let's see if we get any display. Oh, boot to select proper boot drive or insert media select boot drive and press any key. Alright, so it does boot up. So we know it does work. And that's a good thing. So the only problem we had was that the hard drive was bad, so that is something we have to replace if we want to use this PC as it is. Replace the hard drive. So was it worth the $32 for this computer? It depends on who you're asking. If you're someone who is in a very low budget and you want a desktop computer and you find one at SAVERS and you don't want to spend more than $50 or something, you find this for $30 and you think to yourself that, oh, maybe I can fix this up, or maybe it works, I can use it as a home computer for email, web browsing, bare bones home computer. But for me, if it wasn't for the case or the idea of wanting to build a sleeper PC, probably would have not bought this. But because I want to build a sleeper on this, it's not the best sleeper case, but I really like that it had the fan switch here. So let's see if it actually works. Right now it's on cool. Let's go ahead and switch it to auto. See if the fans change at all. Oh, that's too much. So I'm gonna switch it to auto. I don't know if it changed, but let's switch it to turbo. Let's see if that does anything. Nothing. Okay. Maybe it's not even plugged in or being used. Maybe you need specific fans for this. Or probably. Okay, so maybe you need some fans that are compatible with this. I have no clue how this works. I just see these cables here. I don't know if any of these fans will plug into that, but yeah, I don't see any other way to connect this to anything else. So that's oh, it does change color though to red. Oh, that's pretty cool. So on turbo it's just to red, so it can just be like a cool it's like it's flames, cool RGB thing here. Auto is blue and green is turbo, or cool is green. That looks pretty cool, not gonna lie, that's pretty nice. See how that looks? Yeah, it's cool. But it doesn't do anything to the fan, so I don't know how that works. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this $30 computer from Savers. See you guys in the next one. Bye.